Welcome back to Mac's Garage. Today I'm going to be putting this NV5600 transmission into my 92 W250 Dodge pickup, which is off screen. This is not the factory transmission. It was factory a G365 speed truck, but I swapped this out several years ago when that transmission was no longer really repairable and went to a 5600. That transmission was temporarily in there while this one was being rebuilt. That one also has problems, but I did drive it around a little bit to get it home. The NP205 transfer case is also laying on the floor behind me. I'm not sure if I'll get through that in this video, but I really want to get the transmission, the cross member, and that kind of stuff in. So I'm going to set up a time lapse and we'll go from there. So hit the subscribe button, and here we go. Alright, so I attempted to do a time lapse and apparently did not press the go button, but you can see the transmission is in, cross member's in, and I did get the cross member part on time lapse, but the actual installation of the transmission, I missed that. Alright, so that's it for today. The transmission's in. Still stuff to be hooked up on it, but I have other things I have to do tonight. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you later.